Don't worry about lead generation any longer, read this. Lead generation is very important in the business world because it helps you attract consumers to your business. You can either do it yourself or hire a company to do it for you. The latter choice is risky, so it is always better to find ways to generate leads yourself. The video below offers solid tips and ideas on how to go about doing that. Perfect the art of a good call to action, in order to generate more leads for your business. A good call to action is highly specific, very relevant to the particular readers, and always links to a landing page where the offer can be found for purchase or download. Make your CTA count for more valuable leads. Incorporate social media into your efforts to generate more leads, and you will be more successful. Many people do all of their browsing through social media sites these days, so that's where your business needs to be. Cover the major platforms with great offers specifically targeted to your potential customers and watch the leads come in. Use tested methods and reviews to create more leads. Consumers are more likely to give their information and will probably buy your products when you provide supportive data. Use studies that show the positives of your product and get testimonials from current customers. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Talk to business owners in related industries. They may be willing to share leads with you, by sending their customers your way. For example, if you own a shop where you sell balloons, talking to a florist about a joint venture is a great way to get leads from another business. You don't just have to buy ad space in local newspapers to get your ads in there. Instead, consider writing and video on a topic related to your business. For example, if you are a landscaper, you can write about how frequently to water your lawn and what the best time of day is. After watching the above video, you should be able to tell the difference between a good lead and a bad one. If you go about generating leads on your own, then follow the tips that you watch here. Outside companies that offer lead generation is usually a bad idea, but with the tips you just learned, you should be able to be successful at it on your own. Student loan.